Like and subscribe for more stories, like this one.
In the heart of a bustling metropolis known as Gearford, where the buildings glinted like cogs and the streets hummed with the rhythm of machinery, there lived a boy named Oliver. Oliver was not like the other children who were fascinated by the whirring gadgets and clanking gears of the city. Instead, Oliver found magic in the quiet moments, in the spaces where the city's mechanical heartbeat softened and one could hear the whispers of the wind. Oliver lived in an old clock tower, the heart of Gearford, with his grandfather, who was the city's timekeeper. The clock tower, with its intricate gears and timeless chimes, was a world of wonder for Oliver. He loved to listen to the stories his grandfather told, tales of a time when the city was not just gears and steam, but also green fields and open skies. One day, Oliver discovered a peculiar thing, a small, hidden door at the base of the clock tower, covered in vines. Behind the door lay a narrow, winding staircase leading down into the depths of the earth. Filled with curiosity, Oliver embarked on an unexpected adventure, not outward but inward, beneath the city he thought he knew. As Oliver ventured down, the sounds of the city faded away, replaced by a serene silence. At the bottom of the staircase, he found an underground chamber, a forgotten part of Gearford where the remnants of the old city lay preserved. This hidden place was a stark contrast to the world above. It was a garden of sorts, a sanctuary where nature had reclaimed what once belonged to it. Sunlight streamed in through cracks in the ceiling, illuminating patches of lush greenery and wildflowers. Birds nested in the crevices of old machinery, and the air was fresh and alive. In the center of this sanctuary stood an ancient tree, its roots entwined with the long-forgotten gears and pipes of the city. Beneath the tree was a pond, its water clear and still, reflecting the tranquil beauty of this secret place. Oliver spent his days exploring this hidden garden, befriending the creatures that called it home, and learning the secrets of the old city. He discovered that the garden was the last remnant of what Gearford once was, a place where nature and machinery existed in harmony. Determined to share this discovery with others, Oliver began to venture back to the surface, carrying seeds and cuttings from the garden. He planted them in small patches of earth around the clock tower, in empty lots, and along the streets of Gearford. Slowly, the city began to change. Where once there were only gears and steam, now flowers bloomed and trees grew. The people of Gearford, who had forgotten the beauty of nature, were enchanted by these pockets of green. The city, while still a marvel of machinery, began to breathe with a new life. Oliver's underground garden remained his secret, a personal sanctuary, but the seeds he planted above ground transformed Gearford. He showed his city that progress and nature need not be at odds, that in the heart of even the most mechanical world there is room for green and growing things. Oliver's story became a quiet legend in Gearford, a tale of a boy who found beauty beneath the cogs and brought it to light. And in a city that once ticked and tocked to the rhythm of gears, now there was also the rustling of leaves and the song of birds. And they all lived in a world more balanced and beautiful than before. The end.